Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect Google Calendar to Excel. This is a great way to export your events, analyze your schedules, and keep everything organized in our spreadsheets. Now let's get started. In your Google Calendar, for example, if this is the calendar you want to convert or connect to Excel, all you have to do first is click these three vertical lines. Once you're here, just click Settings and Sharing. Next, go to your icon, website, or link. Once you're here, click this one. When it appears, double-click your link to go to the web address. Now, you just need to download your ICS calendar. It will be saved on your computer. As you can see, you cannot yet open this or connect it to Excel. We need to convert it from ICS to CSV. To do this, open a new tab and type in ICS to CSV converter. Then, we will choose Merlin Project, or you can use another option if you prefer. Just choose your file, which is the .ics file. Now, choose the day and month you need. Once you're done, just answer any prompts. Now download the CSV file. As you can see, we now have a CSV file. Once we open this file, you just need to adjust it. Now you can see your calendar in Excel, and that's how you connect Google Calendar to Excel. With this setup, we can easily manage and work with our calendar data outside of Google Calendar.